The front and rear brake discs look almost identical. The rear brake discs have an inner drum area that acts as the surface for the emergency or parking brake to press against. While the Boxster and Cayman both have disc brakes at all wheels, the rear parking brake mechanism is most similar to a drum brake system. Before you remove your brake discs, it is important to first measure them to see if they need to be replaced. Use a micrometer to perform the measurements. If you use a dial caliper, then you might get a false reading because the disc wears on the area where the pads make contact, not on the edge of the disc. Make sure that you take several measurements in a few different places on the disc in order to compensate for potential low or high spots. Removal of the caliper is accomplished by unbolting the two hex bolts that mount it to the arm as indicated by the yellow arrow. The caliper, green arrow, can be pushed out of the way and doesn't need to be physically disconnected from the brake line. Hang the caliper from a string or coat hanger, blue arrow, so that you don't put any tension on the rubber brake line. Never let the caliper hang by the rubber brake line. There are two small locator screws that hold the brake disc in place. Use a big screwdriver or a Phillips head socket tool to remove this screw, and the brake disc should slide off the hub. If the rear one sticks a little bit, make sure that you have released the parking brake. Keep in mind that the lug nuts that hold on the wheel apply the majority of the force that constrains the disc to the hub, not these little screws. Clean the mounting surface with a wire brush or some light sandpaper to give you a flat level surface, and the disc should slip right on. If you're installing the rear disc, make sure you have your parking brake shoes adjusted away from the inside of the drum, or they might interfere with the installation of the new disc. Remember to bed the brake pads with the new discs, and this will diminish your braking capability for the first 100 miles or so. Bed the brakes according to the manufacturer of the disc you have purchased. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.